फिर से उड़ चला मैं।
Hey guys, welcome back to VK Vlogs. Thanks for tuning in, and this is the episode number 3 of my road trip throughout India. Earlier, as you have seen, I have covered Ajanta Caves, Aurangabad, Hampi, and now finally I have come to Gokarna. Gokarna, as it is also called Mini Goa, is on the southern part of Goa and northern part of Karnataka. And trust me, it's a fantastic place. Very good to chill out, very soulful, very tropical. And behind me is the Om Beach, in the shape of an Om, if you see it from a drone shot. And apparently next to it is the Half Moon Beach also. And we are living on the main Gokarna beach. So I'm at the Om Beach. I mean, not practically. I had parked my car at the Om Beach, and यहाँ पे रोड इतना पतला है कि यहाँ पे ट्रैफिक का बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम है. Like I'm taking out my car right now. लोगों को लग रहा है राहत हो गई है. तो कोशिश देखते हैं कि गाड़ी निकल पाएगी कि नहीं निकल पाएगी. अभी वो बार बार आगे पीछे चल रहा है माहौल. होपफुली मेरी गाड़ी निकल जाएगी. आई कैन शो कि अभी आगे एकदम पूरा ट्रैफिक हो गया है एक गाड़ी के चक्कर में. तो पार्किंग का थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम है. लोग सही से खड़ी नहीं करते गाड़ी और सबको घूम भी जाना है. तो हाँ, ऑब्वियसली आई मीन लाइक इन गोवा बागा इज़ वेरी crowded. So same for Om Beach. It was not that crowded, but you know, I'm a vibe person, so the vibe of this place didn't attract my tribe, to be honest. I'll see you soon. Bye.
Soon there will no longer be pollution. Shining bright on the diamonds. There will be a different horizon. One day we will all come to Zion. Strong as a lion, we can be silenced. No, there's a busy answer to all of this. Even in a hateful heart it exists. Why can't we just all get along now? It's been so long, yeah, we gotta.
So I'm at the Kudle beach in Gokarna right now, and the scene seems pretty dull. pretty mellow. I've heard that tomorrow night, which is 31st night, there's a curfew at 6 p.m. So it's not worth it to celebrate my New Year 2022 in Gokarna. So just planning to go to Goa. Most probably I'm gonna be in Goa, and also thinking to go to the B-Prague concert, which is happening in Goa. So the planning stage is going on. I hopefully would execute it since I have my own car. I'm on a road trip. Hopefully, the next video, I'm gonna see you guys in Goa. Cheers.
Soon enough they sing a different song. Change will not be easy, it's a necessity. You don't see what we see, you know we're in the beat. Soon enough you wake up now. You've been sleeping for too long, you gotta wake up.
Oh, by the way, guys, welcome to Gokarna. We are staying at the Kokopelli guest house, or you can say the homestay, which is also a surf school here. And next, it's very like right next to the beach, like let's say 10 meters from the beach walking. And next to that, there are a lot of restaurants on the beach. A very different beach from the Goa vibe, honestly, because there are not much of those beach shacks and umbrellas and the sun baths, and the beach is absolutely empty. In a way, it's good also because it's clean. And just ordered a breakfast, which is the fixed breakfast, and it said hash brown, and now we have boiled potatoes, and we have the boiled eggs also. Thank you. Just put my camera on the time-lapse mode for the beautiful sunset on this Gokarna beach. I am sure that you're gonna see this shot at the end of this video. And with this, I'm just gonna chill and have a fun evening in Gokarna. Probably gonna end this tour tomorrow morning till Gokarna and proceed to my next destination, which is Goa. And we're gonna celebrate our New Year's in Goa. Most probably attending B-Prague's concert there. So stay tuned. Don't go anywhere.